Here we go, fourth graders. Before we start our lesson, I have a bag here, a mystery bag with some objects. I want you to try and guess what is in that bag, and it does tie into our lesson today. So our learning target is I can classify quadrilaterals. So let's review what is a quadrilateral. It's a four-sided shape. This is an example that has some that are, some that are not. I want you to pause the video and quickly think which one is not the quadrilateral. If you said this one, you are correct. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. How can we classify them? We look at attributes / properties. Those words mean the same thing. It's a common characteristic of a set of objects, such as size, shape, color, number of sides. We're going to look at a different attribute today, and that is called parallel lines. So that means lines that never cross or meet, even when extended. You can see here that there are two pairs of parallel sides. The arrows show the pairs. So if we drew this line on forever and this line, they would never meet. Same here and here. So this shows my first pair of parallel sides. That shows my second pair. Here's what we're going to do next. We're going to switch over, and we're going to do some practice. So if I take this pen, and on this example I kept drawing these lines forever, you can see they would never meet, and that's a really good way to see, are the sides parallel or not. So what I want you to do is this. I want you to think how many parallel sides would be on the shape. If you want to draw it out quick, you can try, but just think in your head. Pause the video as you think or draw about how many parallel sides there are here, how many pairs of parallel sides, and then click play when you're ready to see it. Alright, so let's look at this. So I'm going to, let me get my marker back and draw my marker. What's going on here? So go like that. So it looks like these ones never cross. Meet. So I'm going to go like that. I guess it's not letting me draw there. Now, there we go. Now let's look at this pair. So as I'm drawing my lines, I can see on the left side they don't meet, but right there it does meet. So this shape, I want you to think in your head, how many pairs of parallel sides does it have? Pause the video, think about it. If you said that has one pair of parallel sides, it does. So to review, one attribute we're looking at with sorting quadrilaterals today is numbers of parallel sides. So one way we can look at that is to draw lines and see do they cross or not. If they cross like they do here, they are not parallel. If they keep going like this,